Whether you're a movie buff, an adrenaline junkie, or simply seeking family fun, this world-class theme park, Universal Studios Singapore, offers something for everyone. From heart-pounding roller coasters to live entertainment and beloved characters, every moment is just filled with excitement and adventure. Let's explore Universal Studios Singapore.
120.
I am very excited for this trip because first time ever namin mag out of the country as a family. Buong family, and it's mom's 50th birthday tomorrow. So golden girl era. Sobrang aga namin because sobrang natakot kami sa traffic as well as the pila sa immigration. I just presented my boarding passport, and that's it. Ang tinanong lang sa akin, sinong kasama, kailan babalik ng Philippines, kung working, and saan nag-work. Di lang naman. Hindi na ako hinanapan ng COE, but I prepared and I brought my COE with me. So right now it is 5:03. Our flight is around 7:55 PM pa. So we have lots of time to spend here pa sa NAIA. Yun lang. I'll be bringing you guys with us to Singapore. Hey guys, so we have finally landed here in Singapore. It is exactly 12:18 AM and medyo na-delay yung Happy birthday, mother. So yun, we have made it here in Singapore. This is our very first time to visit this country. Super duper excited because we are starting the year right by traveling. And we are claiming for more travels this 2024. By the way guys, if you're visiting Singapore, make sure na fill up niyo yung SG arrival card. It is a requirement. Hey guys, update. So 1:02 AM na and we are done with our agendas. We got yung SIM that I booked via Klook. So ito siya. And this one is 100 gigabytes na for 14 days. This one is around 300 pesos. And then nag-withdraw na rin kami ng cash sa ATM nila. And meron siyang convenience fee, 250 pesos, $5. Waiting na lang kami guys sa driver ng Klook. So ayan, ka-i-message ko siya. And we are waiting here at arrival pickup door. Ayan na, ito na siya. Speaking of. This is our room for the whole stay here in Singapore. So, meron 2 beds dyan. Good for 4 packs na tong room. And let's start here sa CR. Ta-da! Here's the shower. And then may toilet. Malinis naman yung CR guys. It's very decent. So, meron tayong TV, tissue, and merong wifi si Hotel CALMO. Jacuzzi, walang jacuzzi. And then we have here a cabinet with free water, complimentary water, hangers, slippers. Merong kettle dyan, initan. May blower, tapos ang ingay na nga. Tsaka plancha. And then this is our view. Sobrang ganda guys ng location namin because it's near everywhere. So yan. Nice view! So, quick kwento lang guys. Nabuko tong Hotel CALMO BUGIS via Klook. And then, what's nice about it, kaya ko siya napili, aside from its good location, malapit sa lahat, meron din siyang free na airport transfer. So, instead of paying 2,000 something, so free ko na lang siya nakuha because of booking here sa Hotel CALMO. Good night! Good morning na pala.
The next day.
Kumanda tayo ng breakfast. I will get salmon. So, ito guys is $250. So, we are using a City Mapper app to navigate here in Singapore. Ito yung mga pwede mong sakyan na bus. Guys, very accurate na tong City Mapper app. So yan, walk to Chinatown, then we will be riding here, then train going to Harborfront, and then from Harborfront yung sitong sa Express. Quick update, nandito na kami sa Harborfront and it took us mga 3 rides to get here. And medyo nagka-problema kami because hindi gumagana yung debit card ni Bunso, yung BDO niya to be specific sa pag-tap sa sa bus. Pero yung credit cards namin, working siya. Tinry ko lang, meron pa ako isang debit card which is Maya, and surprisingly it worked. Meron dito ticketing station guys, pero I believe pwede naman mag-credit card namin dito direct.
Next stop, Resorts One Station.
And guys, tapos na kami mag-picture dun sa may globe, and we are now lining up towards the theme park, Universal Studios Singapore. And it's already 9:35 AM. So 10 AM siya magbubukas. So marami ng tao, tapos may mga ibang nag-field trip pa. Ang game plan is mag-start kami sa right side to test out agad yung mga adult rides or yung mga extreme rides. So dito lang ako nag-purchase ng group, and then meron siyang generated barcodes that you can scan upon entry. Better na bumili kayo guys sa group because kasi pumila ka kayo sa ticketing counter nila. First ride of the day. And nahingal ako. Minadali talaga namin makarating agad dito para mauna. Wala kaming express pass. Ang game plan talaga is to start sa mga main rides, main attractions to maximize the day. And ang pinakauna namin is Transformers. Parang ito yung warm-up ride namin for the day.
It's good.
It's good. How was it, birthday girl?
Fun.
The Battlestar Galactica at USS is a dueling roller coaster inspired by the iconic TV series. Divided into 2 distinct coaster tracks, riders have the option to choose between joining the human or Cylon forces. The human coaster delivers an intense, high-speed journey with sharp turns and thrilling drops, while the Cylon coaster features inversions and spiraling loops, which is more extreme.
Rent locker for human. Just a little information, bawal pala magdala ng any stuff sa coaster. So you have to put it here sa locker. And free of charge naman siya for 45 minutes. Ito pala guys, overcome ni Mami kanina na ride, yung human. Galing! Anak! Tapos na namin guys yung The Mummy. And maganda siya, pero nabitin ako. Parang nung natapos na, parang ay tapos na. That was, The Mummy.
It was fine.
The mommy? Where's the daddy?
Breakfast. Mahal nito guys. $2. Saan $2?
2.5.
2.5. Magkano? Nasa 100. Sa Pilipinas, nasa 56 pesos to. So parang times 2 siya.
Let's try.
Since kakakain lang namin, we are trying lights, camera, action next. This is a live show unveiling Hollywood movie-making secrets with special effects and stunts, so the whole experience is parang nakikita namin personally yung behind the scenes of filmmaking.
Enjoy the show.
For hurricane, sustained winds of 125 miles an hour. This is the emergency broadcast system. The hurricane is now Category 5.
The authorities have the situation under control.
Akala ko meron dito upuan, pero wala pala. Pero ang galing no effects. Sobrang professional. Monitor lang yan. Medyo malapit na kami sa Canopy Flyer. And this time, medyo nag-wait talaga kami for 30 minutes. And I highly recommend that you guys download the Universal Studios Japan, Universal Studios Singapore application, because in here, you guys can see kung ilan yung waiting time each ride. Super accurate niya because 30 minutes yung sinabi dito and 30 minutes na kami nag-wait dito sa Canopy Flyer. Alam nyo guys, nabudol kami sa Canopy Flyer. Akala namin chill ride lang siya. Maiksi lang yung ride, pero it was intense, lalo yung pinaka-last part. Pero na-enjoy ko pa rin, kaso yun nga lang, nagulat sila mami. Kasi sabi ko chill ride siya, pero hindi talaga siya chill ride. Anyway, ayun, as expected, umuulan na po, mga kaibigan. Buti naglala kami ng payong. Kasi mahal yung raincoat dito mismo sa Universal guys, kaya bring your own payong and raincoat.
Here we are, sunny days. Puss in Boots Giant Journey is an exhilarating roller coaster where you join Puss on a quest with thrilling twists and encounters with Shrek characters. It's really a must for all ages.
We're done with Puss in Boots Giant. This is probably one of my favorites.
Pwede ulit mag-ride kaya lang.
Pwede naman pulit, pero maghihintay. Gusto ko ulitan. Ang ganda to. Wala nang ulan. Mainit na ulit. Sobrang complicated. Sobrang unpredictable ng weather dito sa Singapore.
Mahal ang tubig sa USS, so don't forget to bring a water tumbler or bottle with you kasi nagkalat naman dito yung water fountain and it's free.
We are outside USS because kakain muna kami, gutom na. If you guys didn't know, you guys can re-enter the park. Meron silang invisible stamp dito. Kailangan mo lang ulit ipakita yung ticket mo to be able to go inside again. That's a good thing kasi hindi masasayang yung buong araw mo. You guys can eat outside since pricey nga yung pagkain dun sa loob. Sobrang grateful because ang galing kasi hindi ganun kadami yung tao sa USS. So we were able to ride lahat ng nasa list ko.
You make me wanna be with somebody. Doing things that I usually don't. Find my way through the hotel lobby.
Ito guys, sa BUGIS Junction siya. Marami ng magnets, ref magnets. So, $3 siya each if you're gonna buy one. Pero if for bibili nyo 10 SGD na lang siya. Hey guys, so it is still the same day. 8 PM na? Gabi na pala. Ngayon pala kami magdi-dinner because maga naman kami nakauwi kanina guys after Universal Studios. But nung pagkarating namin ng hotel, naligo kami and then nagpahinga, natulog talaga kami. We are having our dinner here sa BUGIS Street Food Court, parang gano'n. And super cheap lang dito guys. Parang yung laksa nila. This one is already $7 SGD. Dinner for tonight, you have laksa. Tapos ito yung chicken rice nila na roasted yung pinili namin. Then soup and rice. Let's eat!
Drink sauce, huh?
Thank you.
Please, guys.
Please not include to me. Please not include to me.
Masarap? Magkano to? Parang nasa 4 SG dito. Show yours. Ano yan?
Double berry yogurt with purple rice.
Sarap?
Somehow.
Somehow lang. Ito guys is brown sugar kinamaru.
Yogurt.
Sarap.
Tingnan mo.
Kasi yogurt yan. Can I just say na ang ganda nung location ng hotel namin. It's very near to everything. Yung mga neighborhood ng hotel namin, puro siya restaurant, may mga spa. Sobrang good location ng hotel namin. Kaya I really recommend it. This is our hotel. Tapos ito yung mga kainan.
the next day.
Our journey in Singapore doesn't end here as we venture into the heart of Singapore's vibrant Marina Bay Sands, get that adrenaline rush at Skyline Luge to immersing ourselves in the wonders of the Art Science Museum and a whole lot more. Thank you guys again so much for watching and I hope you drop by again soon. Bye!